This 1965 Pontiac GTO Coupe is the rarest 65 produced, which is the lowest production with only 8,318 out of 75,352 GTOs made in 1965. This real GTO had a frame-up restoration. The photo album is even included with the car, and the color change was made during restoration. And a rear bench seat was also installed. In addition, it comes with a 4-speed MUNCIE transmission with the 389 CI engine. It has factory AC, radio, chrome wheels, and E-tinted glass. This rare P.S. documented Pontiac is a great find and a quality GTO. Come in and see this Pontiac GTO Coupe for yourself.
We're conveniently located at 241 Boston Road in Milford, Connecticut, or online 24/7 at NapoliClassics.com.